day so far. I'm Fadi from the TradePro team here, back with another market update for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's kickstart this YouTube update with some numbers from other markets. In Asian markets, Japan is up 0.1%, Hong Kong is up 0.4%, and China is up 0.7%. In Europe, midday London down 0.1%, Paris up 0.3%. As far as the futures, Dow up 0.5%, as well as the S&P 500, Nasdaq almost up 1%, crude oil up 0.1%, and gold up 0.7%. As far as the economical calendar for today, we had GDP Q1 at 8 come out at 8:30 today, as well as the initial jobs claims. 10 a.m. we have pending home sales. 10:30 we have EIA natural gas inventory, Kansas City Fed manufacturer, and 1 p.m. we have results of the 35-year billion note auction. And 4:30 we have the Fed balance sheet. Pretty stacked economical events for today. So if you guys are trading, definitely recommend using a new squawk. Very helpful. And as far as the headline news that we have for today, some news coming out of, like, first, Walt Disney. Walt Disney has filed a suit against Florida government, Ron DeSantis, saying it's forced to defend itself against a state weaponizing its power to inflict political punishment. DeSantis has been at war with Disney in a conflict that ramped up as the company took a position against the state Parental Rights in Education Act, the so-called Don't Say Gay rights, say, excuse me, under previous CEO Bob Chapek, that led to a broad effect by DeSantis to end decades long of special treatment that Disney has received. So basically, DeSantis has been at war with Disney, like, pretty much for a while now. They kept going back and forth, but as far as right now, this is the first lawsuit action that Disney takes against him personally. And we'll see how far this can develop. Honestly, like, that can impact the stock price at some point. If that develops any further, we'll keep an eye out and we'll see how that shapes up. As for other news coming out from Meta yesterday reported its earnings, and we've seen a really, like, strong jump in the price action on the back of the strong beat of expectations. So Meta jumped 10% after hours yesterday, following first quarter earnings, where it easily beat expectations on the top and bottom lines, thanks to better than expected ad recovery and its flagship Facebook platform. Facebook daily active users rose 5% to better than expected 2.04 billion. Monthly active users were 2.99 billion, roughly in line with expectation. CEO Mark Zuckerberg also expanded on the call that followed the earnings, on expanded on the AI project that they're having in the earnings call, saying AI work is improving, monetizing, and investing and helping the company reaches its full potential. I am not sure what to expect from Meta and the AI platforms. They are yet to come up with, a competitive, or kind of like a platform for AI, or where they merge AI with their business project or business plan. We'll see what's coming out in the next couple of months. Definitely, like, something to watch out for. If Meta introduces, like, new AI technologies or something like that, will be huge for the stock, honestly, regardless if it's good or bad. So, also, some interesting comments here. Investing group leader Jonathan Weber commented on Meta's results, but believes it doesn't have a bargain value. While Meta doesn't look unreasonably expensive, it also isn't a pound at the table buy like it was a couple of months ago. Well, fair enough, considering where the stock price is at right now. And other news coming out from Activision, symbol ATVI. If you guys are not familiar with Activision, it's a big gaming company here, a big gaming company in the UK. And they couple of months ago, they had came up with a deal with Microsoft to buy them for about 69 billion. So Activision shares ended nearly 12% lower yesterday after the UK regulators blocked Microsoft's proposal deal to acquire Activision for 69 billion, citing concerns about cloud gaming, the competition and market authority, said Microsoft already had strong advantages in cloud gaming. Of course, like Microsoft, one of the biggest tech names out there, acquiring Activision, who is like a huge gaming developer, that will, of course, like the combination of these two will give an edge, and that will pretty much eliminate the competition in that department. So yesterday, UK regulators blocked that Microsoft deal. We'll see how Microsoft will respond. That very honestly, I can't say like I wasn't expecting this, because that's one of those acquisition that can like dominate the industry. So very interesting here. As far as the S&P 500, let's talk about the market for a bit. Yesterday we seen like this huge downside coming out. We a lot of our members in the room caught a lot of the downside in this market. But today we started round and up around 40.68, and we have a huge level around 4106, 4108. I believe if you're trading today, lean on that level as your pivot. Basically, anything if you're trying shorts above that level, you're fading. And or if you're waiting to get long, just wait for that level to break, then start looking for pullbacks. We'll see if there's more volatility in this market. Yesterday we had almost a 80-point move from where we opened, and we erased some of that towards the close. We'll see how today shapes up. I'll go jump in the live rooms, and I hope to see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and see you guys in the rooms. Ciao.